Hello students, welcome to Auja classes Smartness in Education. Here we are going to learn about the solution of linear equations in two variables by using algebraic methods, and here we are going to learn the first algebraic method, that is substitution method. Let us learn this method by some problems. Here, the given problem says we have to solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. 7x minus 15y equals to 2 and x plus 2y equals to 3. Let us mention that there is first and this is second equation. According to the name itself, it is clear that we have to substitute a particular value of the variable from one equation to another. Here the key concept is that we have to select any of the equations given, and from that equation we have to choose any variable. We can find the value of any variable, either x or y, and put into another equation or substitute into another equation. So it will be much easier for us to select that equation from which the value of the variable can be found easily. So here, from the given equations, first and second, we can clearly observe that from equation number second, we can easily determine the value of x, and that value of x will be substituted in equation 1. So let us take the equation number second. So we will write from second we have x plus 2y equals to 3, and the value of x will become 3 minus 2y. Let us mention that this is equation number third. So this value of x has been obtained from equation number second, and this must be put into first now. So substituting the value of x into first, we get 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y equals to 2. So it is 21 minus 14y minus 15y equals to 2. So here we get 21 minus 29y equals to 2. If we shift 21 towards right hand side, we get 2 minus 21, and minus 29y becomes equals to minus 19, and the value of y obtained is y equals to 19 by 29. Now we have obtained the value of y. Now this value of y can be substituted in any equation, first, second or third, to obtain the value of x. So it will be much easier to put the value of y into equation number third to obtain the value of x. So we have equation number third is x equals to 3 minus 2y. This was our equation number third. So substituting the value of y into third, we get x equals to 3 minus 2 times 19 by 29. So we get 3 minus 38 by 29, and here we get 87 minus 38 by 29. So here we get 39 by 29. Sorry, this will be 49 by 29. So that x equals to 49 by 29 and y is 19 by 29. So these are the required answers. Let us see a word problem based upon the substitution method. The problem says the taxi charges in a city that is consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. That means it is consist of a fixed charge and a variable charge based upon the distance covered. So let the fixed charge for taxi be x and variable charge per kilometer equals to rupees y. Fixed charge is rupees x. So in the first situation, it is saying that for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 105. So according to the question, we have fixed charge plus distance covered is 10 kilometers. So charge, variable charge for 10 kilometers will be 10y and the total charge is 105 rupees. So this is the first equation. And further it says in the second situation, for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 155. So according to this, the fixed charge is x and variable charge will become 15 times of y and total amount paid is 155. So here again, if we have to solve by using substitution method, then we have to select any of the equations and find the value of one variable. So let us take the first equation from first. It is quite easier to find the value of x from here. So we get x equals to 105 minus 10y. This is the third equation and we will put the value of x into second because we have obtained the value of x from first. So we have to put this value into second. Substituting the value of x into second, we get 105 minus 10y plus 15y equals to 155. So here we get 105 plus 5, this will become 5y equals to 155. So shifting 105 towards right hand side, we get 5y equals to 155 minus 105. So we get 5y equals to 50. So the value of y is 50 by 5, that means 10. So we have obtained the charge for 1 kilometer as 10 rupees, and we can obtain the value of x from third, substituting the value of y into third. We get the value of x as 105 minus 10y. 105 minus 10 times of 10. So we get x as 100 minus 105 minus 100. So it is 5. So that fixed charge equals to rupees 5 and charge per kilometer equals to rupees 10. This is the variable charge. That means the number of kilometers the person will travel, he have to pay according to that. Now the question says, how much does a person have to pay for a traveling distance of 25 kilometers? So amount paid for 25 kilometers will be equals to x plus 25y. So x here, the value of x is 5 and the value of y is 10. So we get 5 plus 250, that means 255 rupees. So we can write the answer as amount paid for 25 kilometers equals to rupees 255. That is the answer. So this was the substitution method for solving the linear equations in two variables. Thank you. For more educational videos of school and college level, like, share and subscribe to Ahuja classes on YouTube. Thank you.